If you've got a WordPress website, you might be wondering, can hackers really take it over? The short answer is yes, but the good news, you can stop them. Today I'll show you how WordPress sites get hacked and how to protect yours all for free. So, most hacks happen because of simple things: outdated plugins, weak passwords, or no security setup at all. Hackers look for easy targets. If your site isn't locked down, it's like leaving the front door wide open. They can inject malware, create fake admin accounts, or even hijack your traffic. But don't worry, you're about to learn how to fight back. So let's lock things down. First, update everything. WordPress core, themes, plugins, it takes seconds and patches known vulnerabilities. Next, install a free security plugin like WordFence. So this scans your site for threats and blocks suspicious activity. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. It's like adding a second lock to your door. And don't forget backups. Use Updraft Plus to save your site regularly. If something goes wrong, you can restore it in minutes. If you think you've been hacked, don't panic. Scan your site, change all your passwords, and contact your hosting provider. They often help with cleanup. You can also follow WordPress official recovery guide. Your WordPress site does not have to be vulnerable. With just a few free tools and smart habits, you can keep hackers out and your content safe. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever dealt with a hack site?